I think this is part 2 of Joshua. Any bolt goes in the bolt bucket. Yep, all the bolts go there. And don't be swinging that around. That'll come. No, 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 not that. So anyway, Josh is taking the motor. He's got the rockers off. A while ago it stopped filming. Did you touch something? No, on the camera. Anyway, I'm going to break these bolts loose. Right. I want to break these bolts loose, and then you take them off, okay? Yep, we're going to put it on YouTube. Okay, take it out. You didn't have to take it off. Look, do this. Let's do something. We're going to use the shorter ratchet because it's more convenient. Look at put this up here and you're spinning like a circle like this. Now look, you want to hear it go. So that's cool, right? That ain't doing nothing. You want to turn it that way, all right? Okay, so I'm going to let you do it, all right? There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Here, let me show you. Look, watch. Put this on here. Grab it right there with this hand. Come stand over here. Grab it with this hand. Round and round. This hand is supposed to hold it on. Okay. Man, I watched 47 Ronin last night with Keanu Reeves. Put a movie review on Facebook. I said, movie review of 47 Ronin. John Wick goes back in time and liberates Japan. Actually, I said, John Wick builds a time machine. Hello. Put it in the bucket. Keep on. There you go. Yeah, we're going to film Joshua taking the top off his motor. I'm pretty sure Josh is going to get the rockers, push rods, intake off. We might get the impact over here to show him how to use the impact. Yank the heads off too. You got no ears. Josh, do you have messed up ears? What? I don't think so. Josh, do you have bad ears? What?
Well, tell him to get out. He's not done taking this motor.
Right. I gotta move the camera because I gotta get. All right. We're making you kid famous. Are you watching this?
Are you working, boy?
He took the rockers off, took the valve cover off one side to see the stuff in the box.
Good.
Hey, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
He said I have to go in.
Yeah, me and we're gonna run it to Highland right quick.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
He's been on YouTube before, but usually it's just in there goofing off. We thought we'd put him to work.
You know what he got in trouble for?
Yeah. Have you heard?
No, I have no idea.
Oh yeah.
We'll tell you when we're not filming.
We'll tell you when we're not filming.
Hey, Dad. Hello.
Hello, man.
It was nice seeing you, Sam.
Hello, buddy. We might not be here when you get back.
Hey, it was nice seeing you, Josh. See you later.
Yeah, as soon as Josh gets the intake off, we're gonna shut the video down.
Other way, bud.
The other way, buddy. I haven't told him the righty-tighty, lefty-loosey deal because that never made sense to me.
You could probably just take it off with your fingers now. It's so loose.
Just spin it.
There you go. Other way.
He's catching on quick.
Good.
I mean, like, he's 7. See there? No, you ain't gotta worry about that one. Here, take those off. Get it on this tray. Hey, don't worry about that. Hurry, I'm hungry.
Maybe my motor. Never mind.
Hey.
Son, you're making me suffer.
Get it on there straight. There you go. No, that was fighting too much. Man, dude, that concert was off the hook. Yeah, I'm too old. Yeah. The mosh pit. They didn't stop.
I mean, demon hunters gotta be like that. They're probably in the late 40s, right? They've been around for a long time.
Yeah, they had 25 years. They've probably they've been around for 25 years. They just released so you had 40 to that. So I mean, keep going. Stop. Move around. I'm gonna go. You got a socket there. You got them over there. There. You still got 2 over here too. See those 2? Yeah, man, they just released the 25th anniversary of their first album.
Oh, yeah.
So, you know, that would make them in their late 40s. I got to hang out with the bass player for War of Ages. Yeah, we're Facebook friends now. We're practically besties.
That's cool.
He's as big as you can get, I think, without being on roids.
All right.
He's a massive dude. You know, but you know there's that wall, you know, like how big Ben got? You know, I think Ben was as big as you can get without juicing. Because once people turn into that thunk, you know,
Yeah.
Ben was massive. This dude's like halfway. Okay, if you know how Jack was built, if Jack would have got big like Ben, you know, but he's just so cool, man. His name's Andy.
Jack is
You got one? Yeah, there you go.
you know Jack?
No, I know what guy.
No, you know dog.
Oh, your dog.
Yeah, that was dog named Jack.
He used to like it. That dog's changed. You know, it used to be like, I'm your best friend. I went over there yesterday and he had nothing to do with it. That little brown dog, yeah.
Yeah, he's super fat now.
He's not.
You can go look at our house.
No, I seen he muscled up.
I mean, he's super fat. It's so hard to understand. Yeah, we're just little.
He's getting
That's
ready to do
like
that.
fat
in
when
talk.
one is set, pretend we're fat when we're yesterday.
I think you're done, dude. Grab these 2. Pull it out.
See my new gun?
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe want to go get my little AK pistol out. We need to shoot.
Yeah, we're going to on your birthday.
I'll bring my AK pistol. I can't afford to shoot as much because it'll empty in the magazine line.
Hey, you know what to do? That'd be great.
I'm ordering a trigger for the MP5.
Oh yeah.
So, okay, like it's got that race on it. That's not technically a stock.
Right.
How is it still?
So this really nerdy kid invented this thing called super safety. And there's like all kinds of people make it up now, but it's like, it's not a flip safety, it's a crossbar safety with 3 positions, so safe, and running semi-automatic. It's got a position in the middle called super safety. And what it does is, it's a force reset setting in the middle that, you know, the statute against machine guns says that if a firearm discharges more than one time with a single pull trigger, it's machine gun. So what this does is support as the bolt goes home, you know, back forward, it forces the trigger forward. So you just pull it and hold it, and it forces the trigger forward. That counts as a different action of the trigger each time. So it's technically semi-auto, and the ATF approved it. And so now I have one of those on the receiver.
That looks like right. It kind of looks like those little tiny guns.
You look like a mechanic now.
I look like one of those tiny.
Take the bolt out.
That looks kind of like
These people are tired of watching you.
That looks like a gun. It kind of looks like the gun. Like the tank gun do that.
I think you can pull the bolt out now, but
How about like this?
there you go. Is that it? Is that all of them? I think you got all of them. Now Tony's gonna have to pry this off because it's got a bunch of glue on it too. Nope. Be careful.
Hey, pizza now.
Sure, eat your pizza.
Uriah's interested in putting it on the car. Bill brought me a you remember when we painted that car? We used that Chevy truck red with that red pearl on it?
Yeah.
Bill brought me a bunch of red pearl just like that. So if you like that pearl look that it had,
I like it. I mean, I assume he would like it.
we can duplicate it. You right? You're right. Josh?
Josh,